Hey guys, got a winter project here on the bench we're working on today. We've got a Valley air compressor that controls aquatic valves like this on your machine and testing a different pressure regulator. The standard one runs up to 120 pounds and then it's regulated down to 80. What we got going on here is unregulated, and the control switch just goes up to 80, so compressor doesn't build as much pressure, it's less wear on the compressor itself, and the motor seems to build a lot less heat not having to work so hard. We got this to a ball valve and then 120 volt three-way solenoid valve, and then it is piped over here to a 2-inch aquatic valve. And when we operate this, the plunger in there moves over, and then when you release the switch, the solenoid is a three-way, so it releases the air back out and the valve relaxes. Really quiet air compressor. And you can see after it cycled from 60, we now have 80 pounds in the tank, so we have 80 pounds of line pressure. And when we actuate our valve with just this little surge strip, the piston moves over, and when we release it, it comes back. So cool little project, works like it should. And we'll get her out in the field and see what it can actually do. I don't see any problems, and this control is way cheaper than the factory stuff. It is a square D pump troll made for air compressors though, so it has the on-off lever on it. Any questions? Let me know. Like and subscribe. Thanks.